check this out. This just arrived in the mail. It's another parcel from Gardener's Supply. I think I know what it is, so I'm going to open this up. Gardener's Supply makes a lot of really neat covers to go over planters, and so this one, let's see, is specifically to go over what you see in the background over there, which is a 2x8 elevated bed that I've been using for several years. Absolutely love the thing. But we have birds here, we have rodents, all sorts of animals that eat everything I try to plant in there. So I need to keep it covered. And this should do it. All right, so what do we have in here? Okay, we have instructions. As always, read the instructions first. Comes in really handy. So let's put those aside. Now the neat thing about this cover is it comes with two different covers. One is the mesh screen to keep, mostly here, the birds out, so that's terrific. And then it also comes with this, which is kind of like a greenhouse cover. So you can grow things in later into the fall or start them earlier in the spring and put this over it to keep it warm. So that's fantastic. And then, let's see what else is in here. We have a bunch of pipes that are all labeled. Yeah, I can see that D, we got C, so different parts. Tons of them, kind of like a jigsaw puzzle putting all this together. And then pins of some sort. I'm not quite sure what those are used for. That's what the instructions are for. And a whole bunch of plastic connectors to put the pieces, the pipes together. So I'm gonna try and put this together. I'm gonna put it on that elevated bed once the coriander has finished going to seed, and I'm gonna be growing tomatoes in there. So we'll see how this thing works over the summer, and I'll keep you posted.